But the possibilities are real. And it also, it changes the relationship between Judaism and Islam, between the holy seat of Judaism, Jerusalem, the holy seat of Islam, Mecca, and that radiates to 1 billion and more Muslims. That's a historic shift, and I think it's worth investing in. Am I confident? I believe there's a greater chance that we'll achieve it, but I will say this. I think that we have a window of opportunity. It's the next few months. If we don't achieve it in the next few months, we might delay it by quite a few years. We'll probably in the end achieve it because it makes sense. But I think if we want to seize the opportunity, this historic opportunity, we have to do it in the coming months.
اللهم حرر المسجد الأقصى اللهم حرر المسجد الأقصى اللهم حرر المسجد الأقصى اللهم احفظ المسلمين في فلسطين اللهم احفظ المسلمين في فلسطين اللهم احفظ المسلمين في فلسطين اللهم احفظهم من بين أيديهم ومن خلفهم وعن أيمانهم.
אזרחי ישראל, אנחנו במלחמה, לא במבצע, לא בסבבים, במלחמה. הבוקר חמאס פתח במתקפת פתע רצחנית נגד מדינת ישראל ונגד אזרחיה. אנחנו בתוך זה משעות הבוקר המוקדמות.